Stop juggling tabs and start getting your Jira updates where you already are on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, we'll connect WhatsApp to Jira so you can receive real-time notifications and streamline your project communication, keeping your team in the loop. Let's get started. First, you'll need a service that acts as the bridge between WhatsApp and Jira. We'll call it a WhatsApp integration service. Browse online to find a provider. They usually have a free tier for testing and then a paid tier for larger projects. Next, go in and sign up or log into your account with this WhatsApp integration service. Now, you'll need to configure your account. This means connecting your WhatsApp number to the service. You might need to scan a QR code with your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the service to get it set up. Once your WhatsApp is set up, look for the section dedicated to Jira integration within your chosen WhatsApp integration service. They usually have integrations ready-made for popular services like Jira. You'll then likely have to authenticate with your Jira account so it can get the information needed. This might involve entering your Jira URL or a login. Next, you'll start the configuration process by telling the service what you want to be notified of. For example, if you want to know when a new issue is created or when the issue's status changes. You'll also configure the specific project or projects you want to monitor. This way, you'll only get relevant notifications, saving you time and keeping you laser-focused. In the final step, test your setup. Create a mock issue or perform an action in Jira that you have set up a notification for, and check your WhatsApp for the update. Make sure it is showing correctly. And that's it. You're now receiving Jira updates directly on WhatsApp. With this integration, your team can stay informed quickly, leading to better team communications and improved project outcomes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.